I got a new left turn signal because this one broke. I wrecked my bike. It was just a little baby wreck. Here's some pictures. Being a Kawasaki OEM part, it comes with the light bulb installed and it comes with the correct metal contacts. So the first thing we need to do is take off the front cowl. And we actually need to do that for two reasons. We are replacing the light, but also the front wheel got a little twisted, so I need to loosen the bolts that hold the forks and twist it back into place and then tighten them again. It's raining. I'm not afraid to be in the rain. I need to get stuff done. Use a 4mm Allen key. Now you need either a JIS or a Phillips head screwdriver. I can't tell the difference yet. On this rearward screw, there's this screw, a nut, a washer, and this hook that's going to hold the wiring. And I dropped the washer down in there, so I'm going to have to get that once I take the cowl off. So push the screw in with the screwdriver and then pull the nut and washer off so you don't lose them. Alright, got that washer out. You've also got two screws right here, which are missing on my bike. Right here are little rubber blocks for the heads of the Allen keys. Grab the right size, so 6mm. So nothing should be holding this on anymore, except that the turn signal on this side is still connected. Oh, for future reference, just pull these leads out. They just come out just fine, so just do that. Here you can clearly see the damage that was done to the front cowl. This section on the left side was already cracked, and now it's just gone. I actually have some of the pieces. I might drift stitch it together, but I don't think I'm going to fit that into this video. I guess the top half of the forks? I think it's actually the axle at the bottom that's twisted, so I'm going to take out the cotter pin, loosen the axle nut, and then I'm going to try to straighten the wheel and then torque it all back down. I feel like I just can't trust my eyes. I look at it from a different angle, I'm like, no, it's actually fine. I think it's fine. I'm gonna send it. Okay, now what? Cowl. There we go. Okay. So, stick the fat end in first, and then squeeze the entire casing like this, and that will warp it enough that you can get it in. Them in a second. Right, down here we've got a green wire and a black wire. Just plug the green wire into the green wire and the black wire into the black wire. Perfect. Washer on first. And tighten the screw. Time to plug the wires in. Okay, and the last thing to go back on is the mirrors. Ooh, that box with the turn signal has been on my porch for like 3 weeks while I've been working on the power steering for the truck. In fact, I'm going to show you that real quick. This has been my home for the last 3 weeks, or 6 weeks. One of my first big projects, my only other big project being the axle rebuilding, which ironically is a really short video because it was so hard that I barely recorded. So anyway, in the next shot I should be going to get my bike inspected, so